I placed a very beautiful clay horse under hydraulic pressure. Many plates are put together under hydraulic pressure. I placed several small pieces of plastic under the hydraulic press. Foam is coming out little by little from the foam spray under hydraulic pressure. A hollow pieces of iron floated inside under hydraulic pressure. What can happen to this pencil battery as the result of hydraulic pressure? Very interesting shoot. Put the watermelon under hydraulic pressure wearing a helmet. A beautiful black car was instantly flooded by the hydraulic pressure. Prince Rupert's drop under hydraulic pressure. Many pieces of glass will be broken by hydraulic machine. The small toy is slowly floated by the hydraulic pressure. A very large car broke under hydraulic pressure. Now we will see what happened with hydraulic pressure on several repeats. We will put hydraulic pressure on a scary toy. Whatever is applied to the hydraulic pressure flattened it in an instant. This flux is flattened by hydraulic pressure. Now we are putting hydraulic pressure on a log. Now let's do a hydraulic pressure experiment on a camera lens. What is inside the box can be understood only after breaking it with hydraulic pressure. A rubber hammer is subjected to hydraulic pressure.